Hey guys, I just want to do a quick review. I did purchase this myself, and I just want to show you this really cool Trolls brand band together. I'm sorry, Trolls band together. It's really kind of cool. It's very interactive. It's got all kinds of Trolls things. There's little Trolls here you can see, and with the hair sticking out, really kind of cute. You can see that. It's a whole play set here. It's a 360 play set. 3+ is the age group on that, so it's just what it sells. That's what it says. It has all kinds of tiny, tiny accessories in here. You can see here tons and tons of tiny, tiny accessories for the little trolls. Little drinks in here, little all kinds of stuff. Here's more little, I'm not sure what those are. Those baby trolls, maybe? I don't know, with the hair on them. Look at this. It's really, and the packaging is great. How they did all this. It looks like a bear. You can see a little crown on top. You can see how that looks. There's more accessories inside. So it's a whole play set here. It's got tons and tons of stuff inside here. Really, really cute. I'll show you the back. So this is kind of how it looks like once you set it up. It's got a slide. All kinds of cool little cute things. Just really, really very, very interactive and very, very a lot of play. Just don't forget it is 3+, a lot of small parts in here as well. But this is kind of how it looks like once you set it up, and the kids will have tons and tons of fun playing with it. Nice set, very well made. Lots of color, lots of just a lot of interest. The kids are gonna have, like I said, so much fun playing with this. I just want to make a quick review and just show you what's in here. Hair pops, has launchers, it has all kinds of cool, just tons of stuff in here. Just really little French fries right here, little guitars right here you can see. And I love the trolls. The trolls are just super, look how cute they are. Tiny, tiny, I like the hair. And trolls are making a huge comeback. They've been big for a long time, since the 80s, and they're still big today. And that's what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed the review.